Hey guys, so it's the last day of the year, New Year's Eve 2022, and I got myself a new car. Everyone, happy Saturday. Today is a very casual day for me. I'm taking it slow. I haven't driven my car quite as much, and I can give you a quick tour. I love how you have everything at your fingertips, and then you have the infotainment. Car has Apple CarPlay, and then I don't have the AC on because it's pretty cool right now, but I underestimated how much I like a toasty butt. The one thing is this attracts fingerprints really well, and you can see it's already dusty. I will need to clean this up with fiber cloth, and then, you know, just various other things. So, you know, you have the shade. I have the shade pulled open right now because honestly, I love the sunlight. Pick the worst day to go to the beach. Eating a lot of candy. I bought a holiday bento box from Sugarfina, and I'm still going through the candy. I have the champagne bears, the cranberry cocktail bears, and the dark chocolate sea salt caramels. At first I didn't really like these, but they've grown on me, as you can see. But yeah, I wanted to take you guys around town with me. Friday, and I got my favorite drink. It's a mango nata at North County Mall. Super delicious. Hey everyone, so I wanted to do something different and start a new series. A Week with Me is what I plan on calling it, though it may change. Right now I am driving to my clinical development retreat, and it's for clinical research development, clinical pharmacology, and medical writing. On my way there now. Here's to a good week with my colleagues. Alright guys, so I'm showing you what I'm wearing to dinner tonight. Okay, this is my hair. Here's what I'm wearing to dinner. It's just a long sleeve, and I put faux fur cuffs, and it's a black pencil skirt with my black heels. And then I have my twist. So I just ended my night. I got to meet a lot of colleagues I haven't seen in person before. It was a really great event, and I have another day of the retreat tomorrow. It's a really rainy day. Yesterday, as I was driving home, there were warnings all over the freeway saying that there would be severe weather today. Do not travel. Literally, it said avoid travel. So I'm hoping it's not too bad. What I'm wearing, it was my conference look, and I'm also wearing this to dinner. It's just a simple blue and white outfit. Very minimalistic, yet professional. Got back from dinner. The bus dropped us off at the hotel where all my colleagues are staying, but it seems like I'm the only one that drove and is a local San Diegan. Some of my San Diego colleagues drove to the actual restaurant, but now I am just making my way back to my car. Hey guys, so I have been extremely bad at recording what's been going on in my life. Right now I am heading to work. I am trying to make an effort to go into work at least once a week. So it's pretty dark right now, but I'm going to an event. It's the Birch Aquarium event with my company. We have it for the night, and yeah, I can't wait to show you what I'm wearing and everything that's happening. The aquarium at night, it's hard to see, but no, that doesn't make it better. But yeah, we have the aquarium to ourselves.